How to make movie poster using Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to ChatGPT. Here we will tell ChatGPT our idea, our movie name and what type of poster we want, and we will tell ChatGPT that please write a prompt for us. So we will simply copy that prompt and go to Leonardo AI and paste that. So let's write our idea. You guys can write that type of prompt and you guys can upload your pic, like it can be anything. So here we go, ChatGPT write a prompt for us, so we'll simply copy that. Now we will go to Leonardo AI, so simply click on that. Here you guys will see generate, so simply click on generate. Now you guys will see lucid origin, so simply click on that. Here you guys will see other things, but scroll. Now you guys will see graphic design, so simply click on graphic designing. And once you do that, after that paste your that logo, I sorry, that prompt. Now click on that plus icon. Now click on image guidance. Here you guys will see source, image to image, source, style, other things. You simply click on that first one. Now click on photo gallery. Now upload your that image. Now wait for some seconds. After that click on generate, and after that your movie poster generation will be started and it will generate it in some time. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.